Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport D200 R-Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Carpathian Grey. Starting our journey from the front of this vehicle, where we'll find the LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading on the side, you're going to find further features, all a courtesy of the black exterior pack, as it sits with utmost pride on a set of 20-inch diamond turned alloys with a gloss dark grey contrast. To the rear, you'll notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, and the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space, where you'll also be able to find 2 further seats within the rear, making this vehicle perfect for those with larger families, and cooling vents within the third row for extra comfort. To the left, you're going to find easy controls for your electronically deployable tow bar, which I'm sure is going to intrigue those caravan or equestrian enthusiasts out there. Rear passengers are certainly going to enjoy their ebony Windsor leather seats with their Mars red stitch and their own climate control systems, as well as USB ports. Within the cockpit, you will find your 14-way heated electric seats with driver memory, ensuring every journey is comfortable as the last. Taking a close look now at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel and advancing over at your Pivi Pro touchscreen as we finalising our journey at your fixed panoramic sunroof. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport, which we have here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.